Good morning, students. Welcome back. So, as we are doing Windows Movie Maker, our chapter 2, today also we are going to continue with the same chapter, and we are going to do the topic today, how to apply visual effects to our movie in Windows Movie Maker. So, before going to our today's session, let's have a small recap of what we have done in the last class. So, in the last class, we have done about how to apply transitions in our movie. So what are actually transitions? Transitions are applied to add visual effects to the movie. Okay, they are actually used to add connectivity between two consecutive scenes of a movie. Okay, transitions can be added between images, video clips, or to titles, and effects can range from simple fade to complete graphical animations. So, and we have learned about the different steps how to apply the transition. That means we have to click on the animation tab and the list will open, and in the list we have to click on the more drop down arrow, as more means we will get more, the list will get expanded and we will find more categories there, like diagonals, dissolves, okay, patterns and shatters, then sweeps, curls and wipes, okay, cinematic and contemporary. So all these are different types of, okay, animation effects which we can use in our movie. So then we have to click on any video clip or image and you have to select any transition, and it will be applied at the beginning of the clip or the image. And if you want to apply to all the clips or the images, what we have to do is to simply click on the apply to all button, as we do in PowerPoint. Yes, so you will see that the transition will be applied to all the clips. Okay, and we have to just play the video and you will notice the transition effect. You can see on the screen there on the clip, okay, how transition effects are applied on the clips. Okay, so this was all about your transition effects. Okay, how to apply transition effects on our movie in Windows Movie Maker. So now we will move forward to our today's session. That is, learning objectives for today's session is, you will know about what are visual effects on Windows Movie Maker and the steps to add visual effects in a project on Windows Movie Maker. So first, let us know what is visual effects. Now, visual effects are usually usually used to add special effects to the movies. Okay, visual effects are used for adding special effects. Okay, just like you see in movies, okay, how special effects are added. Okay, you can see the hero is jumping from one building to another, okay, or flying high up in the sky, okay, and having a kicking and boxing the other people's, but which is not actually possible. Okay, so these visual effects are shown with the help of these animations. So these effects include choices for making color effects. Okay, so you can put different colors also here, such as sepia toning to posterizing. So these effects, they include choice for making the color, as you have we have in our smartphones also. Okay, how we can apply different colors to our images, yes, to according to the mood and all. Okay, so same thing, that is known as what, visual effects. So let us know about the steps how to apply visual effects. So what we have to do, firstly we have to click on the visual effect tab, and same way the list of effects will be displayed in the effects group. Then you will see, click on the more drop down arrow. So if you want more categories to be displayed, we have to click on the more drop down arrow and the list will expand. Okay, and we will have artistic, black and white, cinematic, mirror, motion and fade. So these are the different visual effects. Okay, so these are different visual effects which will be which is available in Windows Movie Maker, and from there you can choose any one and you can apply to your clips. As you can see from the picture over there, that is the visual effects, okay, tab, and you have to click on the more drop down arrow if you want more visual effects. Okay, and from there you can choose any one of your choice and you have to apply it to the clip. So click on the desired video clip, okay, or the image where you want to put the effect, and you have to select any effect. So here okay, in this picture mirror effect is selected and it will be applied to that particular clip or image. But if you want to apply to all the clips or the images, you have to just click on apply to all button and the visual effects will be applied to all the clips or the images. And then lastly you have to play the video and you will notice the change in the video clip. You can see in the picture, okay, you can see the change in the video clip. So same way the visual effects, no, the effects of how it will look, it will change. Okay, then this was all about your how to apply visual effects in a movie. So let us summarize what we have done today. That we have done is about visual effects. The visual effects are used for adding special effects to the movies. These effects include choice for making color effects such as sepia toning to posturizing. Then in order to apply the visual effects, what we have to do, to click on the visual effects tab, okay, and the list will expand into various category like artistic, black and white, okay, cinematic, mirror, motion and fades. Okay, these are the different categories of visual effects, and from there you have to click on any one, okay, and you have to click on the any desired video or the image and to select any one from there, and it will be get applied to that particular clip or image. And if you want to apply to all the clips and the image, okay, what you have to do, you have to simply click on apply to all button and it will get applied to all the video clips, okay, or the images, and it will be displayed. Okay, you can see the special effects. Okay, so this was all about your visual effects. Alright, please go through the video once again. Then after the video I will be giving you some assignments. Okay, please complete it and submit to me, and at the same time keep learning. Alright, have a nice day. Thank you.